Boys and girls, my name is Maxim and I welcome you to the channel of Max Cantor Cooking or Max Cantor USA. And today I'll show you an awesome, delicious and very simple recipe. We will cook a dessert. So adults can be removed from the screen and children, you're welcome. I will cook this dessert from such cookies. You can use any. I used to do it from Russian Cold University. Probably that was the best one, but this one will work too. What do I need for this? A can of condensed milk. By the way, you can also use a boiled condensed milk. It will be delicious too. So I pour out a can of condensed milk into the container. So also I will add there a can of sour cream, 454 grams. Okay, let me get a spoon. So this is for a doggy. Keeper, go to your house. I added 454 grams and I'll add a little more, 200 grams. Put away the licked. I will take a mixer and start whipping everything. Let me clean the mixer. It won't be on our way. By the way, look at this miracle. My next book, part 2 in Russian. Max Cantor's Cooking Again, simple, fast and funny. You can buy it on Amazon. I'm recommending it to everyone. Well, next. First layer, I'll distribute so little our cream, whipped sour cream with condensed milk. Okay. And position first layer of cookies using a knife. And this is how I place a layer of cookies. Let me make it beautiful. So all were in the same position. So, by the way, these gaps can also be covered, but I'm too lazy to add the chunks of cookies. Next layer of cream. Distributing, no need to rush. So, next, taking berries. These are blueberries. Russian blueberry, yeah, blueberry. Something average. So, put a layer of blueberries, next layer of cookies, Next layer. So I'll crack it a little. One more layer of cream. Distributing everything evenly. Continue. Next layer of raspberries. A little bit more of cream. And a layer of raspberries. And look at this beauty. So it's evenly distributed. And cookies again. See how simple everything is? So, opening one more pack. And maybe 5 pieces will fit in, should fit in. And gets in. Super. And creaming again. And more cream. Everything was beautiful. So, berries again, blueberry, blueberry. And what a miracle. Well, firstly, it is beautiful. And probably the last layer of cookies. Now, generously sprinkling the remaining cream. Look at this miracle. I will distribute everything evenly. I thought I would add meal and add cookie crumbs. And why not? I will do it. Yes, now I will grind some crumbs. So it was quite beautiful. Look quite beautiful. Let me get a mixer. And I will do some dusting. So I grind it a little. Let's see. Hoppa. And sprinkle like that. A pollen. Next, I cover everything with a cling film and for an hour in the fridge. Well, the end result. Let's taste. I poured the coffee already. We will be chasing it today with... Oh, wrong shot. Let me take this shot. Hennessy, Cognac Hennessy. Purely symbolic. For appetite. The dog had walked away. May your dreams come true. Be healthy. Not bad. Well, let's taste. Tender. Crazily tasty. Let me chew. Berries are gentle and creamy. Just perfect. So, boys and girls, if you like this recipe, write it down, add likes, comments, subscribe to my channel, make donations to an orphan, and I'll see you in the next videos. Everyone, bye.